friends, here on this video, if you're on a mobile phone battery drainage first, then how you can solve your problem is that, friends, whenever you are charging, do not use your mobile phone. And before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Example, like I'm charging my mobile phone and then I'm using my Facebook, Instagram, or watching videos on YouTube. Don't do that. Okay, if you do this, then your mobile phone battery will damage successfully. It will damage, okay, almost 80% it will damage. Okay, so don't use like this. Or you may playing the games, okay, so don't play even the games also. And friends, another problem is that here you should not activate this all from the Play Store. Move on Play Store. After you move on Play Store, here you have to click on your profile. When you tap on your profile, here's the manage apps and device. So friends, tap on this manage apps and device. After you click on manage and device, then here no need to click here, you have to move on profile. Then after that you have to move on setting. Okay, then from here you are going to find this icon, network preferences. Click on network preferences. After that, from here is the auto app download preferences. Click on app download preferences. Over any network data changes might apply. Over Wi-Fi only, ask me every time. So I selected the last icon, ask me every time. After that, tap on OK. You have to select this icon. If you don't select, then what it will happen that your network will use by itself automatically. It will update and your battery will fast drain. Okay, it will use battery. It will use fastly, it will low fastly. Okay, low battery. And here is the auto update. So the same thing, don't auto update, then click on OK. And here auto play videos, also the same thing, don't play auto videos. You have to select don't. Okay, no one. Okay, so from here, after doing this, let's click on the back. And from here you have to move on the setting. When you move on setting, from here you can select the battery, then battery percentage, battery optimization, and here's the battery power saving mode, battery setting. First of all, let's move on battery optimization. Here it says no result. Okay, you can even check the apps also, but it's okay. First of all, let's move on more battery setting. Here's the smart charge, smart battery capacity. Friends, I want to tell you that is when you ever click the battery, from here even you can check the battery level also from here. So do not forget to check your battery level, which apps using much battery, in which apps you are spending your time. Okay, you have to check that, even that apps also from here. See till which, or you can schedule also the timing, and you can check from here also 19 hour 58 minutes remaining. I can use 19 hour right now. Okay, you can check from here also. Even after the power saving mode also you can activate after only, whenever full, then no need to turn on. Insert battery icons also you can check from here, but this is okay, my one. But if your one, I don't know whether it's okay or not, so you have to check it. And friends, this is all about the battery damage. Okay, you should not damage your battery by doing these foolish things. Okay, and friends, there is many options how you can stop doing this battery damages on your life. Okay, but I cannot tell you right now whole things in the one video. That's why I'm just leaving right now. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Bye. Hope you understand. And if you don't understand, then you can give me a comment section. I don't understand, so that I can bring a new video for you. Okay friends, and thanks for watching. Bye.